I'm Will Thompson of Defy Design. We recycle plastic waste material and manufacture new products for businesses and individuals. Sustainability is a cornerstone of Defy. Our mission is to stop the creation of virgin plastic. We believe there's more than enough plastic currently in circulation. We just need more efficient processes for capturing and recycling it. We provide opportunities for businesses within the Bayside area and beyond to engage with us as waste partners where we receive waste plastic from them. We give them the confidence and the transparency to see that their plastic is genuinely being recycled and turned into useful, beautiful items. We have a standard policy to always accept back any item that we have manufactured at its end of life. This means that anything damaged or no longer in use, we will reclaim the material from that product and keep it in circulation, in line with the principles of the circular economy. This also extends to businesses using our sheet material that can return offcuts to us for recycling. We also source all of our power from Diamond Energy, who are a 100% renewably sourced power provider. We also have a small solar panel system on our roof of our factory that helps to feed power back into the grid. We have recently upgraded our factory water heater and lighting to more energy efficient alternatives. For the packaging of our products, we source 100% recycled cardboard called EcoStar. Choosing recycled materials can sometimes come at a greater expense, but is a shift we all need to start making. Customers are starting to expect environmental shifts from all levels of businesses and are happy to accept understandable increases in cost. Eventually, Defy wants to expand to every major city in Australia and beyond.